Okay, we've been having a little bit of trouble getting this autopilot to read Mavlink. So we keep reloading uploading the firmware, and the basic issue has been the COM port won't recognize COM port 4. We've tried 9600 baud, and that works in APM2, but it doesn't work for this mission planner. We finally figured it out, so we're going to go back and install the firmware for RGplane version 3.4.0, which is the last that can be installed in this APM hardware. In order to do that, we had to previously install RGRover or some other firmware, so that we picked 2.5. Once we could verify that was loaded, then we go back and upload the firmware again in order to clear everything out in case there's junk in there from RGplane. You can't load two versions of those at the same time. So we basically loaded RGRover. Now we're going back and loading RGplane version 3.4, which is the latest edition. And once we can confirm that, the key to accessing it was to select COM port 4, but it wouldn't select the manual selection even at 9600 baud. So we selected auto, and all of a sudden it was able to read the Mavlink data, started to downlink the Mavlink data. So not really quite sure what caused that, but it was essentially probably a port conflict. Port 4 was somehow hooked up to something else. And it was automatically already reading it, but not with this software. So that's what fixed it, to just go to auto instead of try to load it, selecting the port manually, and hit connect.